Hello viewer, it's a pattern stamp here. Use the designs for that. Add a color there. Further I will make that shape. I will have a design. There is a new shape. We will take care. I will take that shape here.